Assalamualaikum and hi to my fellow friends and my lecturer. My name is Nia Adinamia binti Nik Abdul Basir and my matrix number is 262295. I will be presenting about the tourism development of Haiti, and without further ado, let us continue on what are the special thing that have in Haiti. So for tourism development in Haiti, there are three elements that I want to point out. One of it is that leverage the burgeoning tourism industry as an untapped economic spark for cities and local communities. Why am I saying this is that Haiti is one of the developing countries that suffer severe economic inequalities that becomes a wall in competing with global economy. By proposing a project on generating economic by having socially and environmentally sustainable on tourism in empowering locals to acknowledge their deep-rooted histories and culture to the eyes of the world. So for my second point is that community-centered framework towards sustainable tourism. All the locals are considered as precious gems of Haiti. This is because as Haitians, they have post-colonial experience throughout their life that they have so many stories and cultures that they could share and also being spectated by the living history relic all across the island. So for the third point is that local engagement strategies. Haiti are one of the spectacular island that filled with diverse assets from architectural heritage with natural landscape features to establish agriculture practice and craft tradition. From that, it aims to become an adaptable and independent profitability that makes uses of the island's existing resource as prior and eliminates all possible outsiders. By having local practices, it helps to develop a structure that accommodate job opportunities and becomes a symbol to a new identity towards the country. So for the second subhead about the essence towards the development of Malaysia tourism is that we could cherish local heritage and culture. This is because each and every culture are very unique towards local, as it is our true identity through wherever we go. It is just a special elements that being inherited by our ancestors, in which every soul have their uniqueness from their culture, from their cultural practice. This is because we could see that Haitians culture that are being inherited by their ancestors comes from the post-colonial experience. Rather than us, we can see that our culture have different kind of value that we still care and not being forgotten from our ancestors and to the future afterward. So last but not least is that acknowledging new approaches towards local support. This is because by having new approaches towards locals can give different point of view and loss of opportunity towards the community. This is because if common practices applied in their daily life, it actually becomes bored and tired at some point of view, but still we cannot forget them from where do we come from. So having new strategies is actually give a new breath towards the heritage destination and creates new norms of culture practices within the area, which help new generation to learn on our inherited culture from our ancestors. So from the tourism development of Haiti, what I learned is that those Haitians came from a post-colonial experience that they have been impacted a lot by their history, but somehow they come up with new kind of strategy in building and generating their economy independently because they want to acknowledge their tradition at the fullest. So it is such an eye-opening point for me from the Haitians' point of view, because it actually give great impacts from me, as none of post-colonial experience rather than them. So this is all from me. Thank you.